Imagine this. You're strapped into a sleek rocket, heart pounding as Earth shrinks to a blue marble below. The stars? They're not just twinkling lights anymore. They're your new neighborhood. But here's the question that keeps me up at night. What if humanity's next great leap isn't just about reaching the stars, but saving our home in the process? Hang on, because we're about to blast off into a story that's equal parts science fact and wild dream. Welcome to the future of us. Let's rewind to right now, December 2025, and ground ourselves in what's already happening. Space exploration? It's exploding. NASA's Artemis program just touched down the first woman and person of color on the moon last year, paving the way for sustainable lunar bases. And SpaceX? Their Starship prototypes are nailing orbital refueling tests, inching us closer to Mars missions by the early 2030s. We're talking reusable rockets slashing costs from billions to millions, making space feel less like science fiction and more like the next commute. But it's not all up there. Down here on Earth, tech is our secret weapon for survival. AI, like the kind powering self-driving cars and drug discoveries, is crunching data faster than ever. Think Grok from XI, helping us predict climate shifts before they hit. Renewable energy? Solar panels are cheaper than coal now, blanketing deserts and rooftops, while wind farms offshore churn out clean power for entire cities. And robotics? Boston Dynamics Atlas bots are flipping pancakes one day and building disaster relief shelters the next. These aren't gadgets. They're the building blocks of a bolder tomorrow. What if I told you this is just the warm-up? Pause for a second, because the real adventure, it's hurtling toward us. Fast forward 50 years. Picture 2075. You've booked a ticket on the Orion Express, a solar sail ship gliding silently to a bustling Mars colony. No more cramped capsules. Imagine vibrant cities under vast domes, hydroponic farms growing strawberries in crimson soil, kids chasing drones across regolith playgrounds. Terraforming is underway, with giant mirrors melting polar ice caps. Breathable air is coaxed from the thin atmosphere. Humans aren't just visitors anymore. We're pioneers. Mining asteroids for rare metals, flooding Earth with abundance. Back home, Earth is reborn with fusion reactors humming quietly. Megacities powered by limitless, zero-waste energy. Skyscrapers wrapped in living algae walls scrub CO2. AI companions are now empathetic partners, designing neural implants. What if these worlds collide? A solar flare knocks out comms. Do we panic, or prove we're one unbreakable species? Now, let's make this personal. That spark of wonder you felt as a kid, staring at the night sky. It's not gone. It's fuel. This future isn't for faceless elites. It's for you, your family, the barista who dreams of zero-gravity ballet. Imagine your grandkids inheriting a world where climate refugees are a history lesson, not a headline, where space jobs lift communities out of poverty, and AI tutors unlock genius in every corner of the globe. Why does it matter? Because every milestone, from Perseverance rover selfies on Mars to the first carbon capture forests in the Amazon, is a love letter to tomorrow. It's us saying, we got this. In a universe of endless dark, we're the light that says humanity endures, not just survives, thrives. Your curiosity? It's the gravity pulling us forward. What story will you help write? So, dreamer, what's your next step? Hit that subscribe button if you're ready to explore more cosmic tales. Drop a like if this fired up your imagination, and comment below, Mars colony or Earth utopia? Which calls to you first? Share this with someone who needs a dose of hope. Together, we're not just reaching for the stars, we're claiming them. Thanks for joining the journey. Until next time, keep looking up.